Hello, everyone. So, our task is to give a demo of Flippity, and I've actually never used Flippity, so I am going to be learning together with you today. So, before I started recording, I did go through and kind of look at the website, and I think it is very neat. So, this is what happens when you go to flippity.net. When you type that in, this is what you see. So I looked at a few, and there's so many options and so many neat games. I, however, am tasked with creating a special education game, and particularly I am going to create one for a K1 special education class because I am a first grade teacher. My campus has a kinder and first grade combination of their special education class. So I am really leaning toward this matching game. So one of the things that I liked about this Flippity is I see a demo option. So if I click that, it takes me to a game where I can actually play it and test it out. I lost. I like that it gives the audio. I don't know if you could hear it in the recording, but it did say the word gray when I clicked on gray. Oh, and I just saw the brown. It was right there. Yay. So I won and it turned green. I think it went away when I clicked on the next set. So this kind of allows me to see what the kids are going to see when I create the game for them. Oh, and there was white, which was right there. Yay. Okay, so now that I have tested the game, I know that I want to use this. So I'm going to go back up to the matching game and I'm going to click instructions. So let's see, let's just read these instructions. I see two options, which is nice. I think I'm going to try to use it both ways. So I did like the fact that it had colors on the game. I really like that. However, since we are trying to make our own, I think I'm going to change the um, the colors instead of using colors. I think I'm going to go with shapes. So this one says the quick and easy. You can edit the terms in the box below, then click the generate button. You can separate terms with commas or line breaks. Bookmark the resulting page, Control D to reuse it. So I am going to just take these out and let's do some shapes. So let's say circle. I'm going to use line breaks. Then let's do triangle, rectangle, square. Let's see, diamond, hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My school uses, I think, 8 basic shapes. I know they use the oval. What other shape do they use? I don't remember. Let's say star. So I don't know, it's a memory game or a matching game. Let's do matching. Title is matching game. Let's change this to shape matching game and generate. Let's see. So what happens now? Oh, okay. So now we have the words I see. Okay, so that's pretty cool too. All right. Pretty cool. I think I want to go back and try option 2. So let's go back and let's do this one. So step 1 says modify the Google spreadsheet template. Make a copy of this template. So let's click there. And I do see where it says you'll need to sign in with your Google account, and I am already signed in. So let's make a copy. So I'm going to change the name to shape matching game. In just a moment when everything finishes loading. Shape matching game, and let's take off template because we are just going to make it the game. Okay, so let's go back to our instructions. Edit the terms. The more terms you use, the more likely it is you'll need to scroll up and down to see all of the cards. If you'll use it, the players match each term to its alternate if you use the alt terms. If you leave it blank, players match each pair of terms. Terms are automatically duplicated. Okay, so I'm seeing we have red, and this was probably the color red. So this is the word red, and this is the color splotch that it had on the matching. So I do like this alternate. However, since we are changing to shapes, I am going to go in and edit this. So instead of that, let's say circle. It wants to do an image. So I'm going to go to an open tab, and I'm just going to Google search an image of a circle. Let's see, I like this red circle right here. So I'm going to click on the red circle. Let's right click and let's say copy link address. Let's try that. And if we copy and let's paste it, I'm assuming that is going to be our image now. Yes, so there is our image. So let's keep going. Let's try some more. Let's go back to our instructions real quick. Enter as many items as you wish, but the more terms, the harder it is to see all the cards. Okay, so like I said, I am doing this for K1, so I do not want to make it harder to see all of the cards. We are going to make it easy, so we are going to limit the amount of cards that we have. So let's just go ahead and go in and take out some of these options. So I have circle. Let's do triangle. Let's do square. And let's do rectangle, diamond, and let's do star. So for the sake of this video, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I'm going to just stick with those 6. So let's go in and take those out. Let's just empty that for sake of the video and for the kids. So let's go find a triangle now. Triangle. I like this green one. Let's open up that green one, and I'm going to copy the address and go paste it onto my Google Sheets. Okay. There we go. So let's do a square now. Square. Here's a blue one. I like this nice blue one. Let's right click, copy, and paste. Just like that. Okay, so let's go find a rectangle now. I'm just going to type rectangle. And let's scroll down to find one we like. Here's this nice yellow one. Let's look at this one. Yes, let's do this yellow one. Copy and paste. Let's do the same thing with a diamond. Diamond shape. Let's be specific. Here is a nice blue one. Oh, but I don't like that at the bottom with the words. So let's try this orange one right here. That'll work. Copy and paste. And let's do one more. Let's type star shape. And of course we need a yellow star, so let's copy that as well. and do one more right there. So this is the only one that did not turn blue and start to say flippity. So let's go back and try this one more time. Let's go back and let's do circle, shape. I don't remember which one I chose, but I like this blue one. So let's go get this blue one. And I know I double click and I paste. And it still says Google right there, but I think that's probably going to be okay. This one, however, has not turned blue, but I see it right there. So let's just give it a shot. Okay, back to our instructions. Step 2. Label your matching game by changing the name of the worksheet at the bottom. Okay, let's change the name. We did that. Publish your spreadsheet. Go to File, Share, Publish to Web, and then click Publish. File, Share, Publish to Web, and then click Publish. Okay. Copy the link generated in the Publish tab in the Publish to the Web dialog box. You'll need it in Step 3. Click on the Get Link Here tab of the template at the bottom. Okay. I see right here, let me move this out of the way. I see right here it does say get the link here. Copy the link you are provided and paste it into the cell below. Okay. So let's do that. Ready right here. Copy this link, copy, and paste it. All right. Paste the link you copied in step 2 into cell A3, and that is what we just did. We have A3 right there. Make a shortcut or bookmark to get back to the game whenever you want to play. All right then, so we are going to go to click on the link that appears in cell A5 to go to your Flippity Net game. Okay, so cell A5, there it is right here. And if we click on that, it's going to take us to our game. Let's open it up and see what happens. Oh, this is not working. Oh, okay, I see. It is still loading. That is the problem. So I did see where it said it will take a few minutes. Yes, changes may take up to 5 minutes to appear in your activity. So I am seeing that we might not have our shapes just yet. So that is okay. We can see that it works because of the words that we see that are popping up already. So I am very satisfied. I feel like this game and this website is very easy to use. And now I'm going to go make my second activity really quick. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.